How to open FRP lock of Samsung A03 at home. Start. I have read and agree to all of the above. Next. Connect Wi-Fi to the device. Next. Use my Google account instead. Next. I don't know the Gmail that was used on the phone before. Click the break button. Touch the skin more than 3 times with one finger. Click the break button. See all Wi-Fi networks. Add new network. Click on the scanner icon. Click on the photo icon. 3-dot icon. Press and hold the drive. Permissions. Search icon. Type settings. Go to the Settings app. Open. Apps and notifications. All apps. Show system apps. Android setup. Forward stop. AUK. Storage. Clear cache. Break button. Google Play services. Disable app. Forward stop. AUK. Storage. Clear cache. Break button. Samsung Setup Wizard. Forward stop. AUK. Storage. Clear cache. Break button. Break button. Galaxy Store. Open. Get news and special offers up to. Agree. Ad will actually close. Search icon. Type Activity Manager. Activity Manager, click on the download icon. Sync into your Samsung account. I have read and agree to all of the above. Agree. 2-step verification. Done. Activity Manager downloading. Android setup. Settings. I will turn it on Show System App Indicator. Break button. Pre-default setup wizard activity. Power on and off again. Turn off the device. Press and hold the volume up button first, then hold the power button. Release the power button after the skin light comes on. Then the recovery interface will appear. Press the volume down button. Whip data / factory reset. Press the power button. Press the volume down button. Factory data reset. Press the power button. Web data has been factory reset. Reboot system now. Press the power button. Wait for some time. Start. I have read and agree to all of the above. Next. Hawk. Connect Wi-Fi to the device. Now, no more asking for mail account. Skip. Don't copy. Skip. More. Accept. Hawk. Skip. Next. Finish. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.